This beach is so much fantastic. We are enjoying a lot. Actually, like how it looks in the movies. But don't keep your hopes high if you don't know how to swim. And there is a huge crowd here. Food here is so much costly. One smoothie is 200 to 50 baht. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Today is another day in exploring Thailand. Currently we are in Phuket and today is a complete day tour to Phi Phi Island. So we are waiting for our cab and the next destination will be the pier where the speedboat will be there. From there we have a speedboat and we are going to go to the Phi Phi Leh Island first where the Maya beach is there. And from there we have some snorkeling points, we have some swimming points, and after that we will go to Phi Phi Bay Island and Phi Phi Don Island, and after that we will be going to Khai Island. I will completely show you how the tour is and how I will completely explain you my experience in the tour so that you can plan your tour more better. So let's wait for the cab. I will show you how it is. Let's go. And after waiting some time, we got this one. This is a limousine, which will take us to the pier. From there we will have a speedboat. From there we will be going to the Phi Phi Leh Island. Currently, we were residing in the Patong beach side, and the pier is on the Patong city side. So we have to go. We have to cross a big hill. It is a complete hilly area, guys. Look at the steep it have. After 1.5 hours, we have reached the pier. So they gave this kind of a thing, which will represent that you are going to Phi Phi Island. They have something for Jamsmond Island also. And this is the place for the waiting, and you have to do the check-in here. You have to enter your name and the passport number, and you have some items to buy for the safety gear. So she was explaining like what kind of things will be there, like snorkeling, what kind of things you need and all. So in 15 minutes we will start for the Phi Phi Islands. While we wait here, they have some food options, like they give some Milo drink or something. Let me show you. So these are the colas and water bottle which you can take for free. They have some biscuit options as well. You can make it by yourself. They have an Nescafe and the coffees. It's pretty good. Everything is for free. You can while you wait here, you can do it by yourself. So we already drank some chocolate, drink, and now I'll take this one. The orange I will take. Then one drinking water I will take. Let me show you the prices of them as well. I think here the prices are a little bit more when compared to Phuket. When compared to Bangkok, the Phuket is more. But when compared to Phuket also, here the prices are high. This kind of shoes they are saying it's around 600 baht and 500 baht. And the phone cover. And the phone cover is 200 baht, which we bought at 100 baht outside. So we recommend you to buy it outside, not here. This one is 200 baht. And the caps are 200. The prices are pretty high. You have these caps also if you want. I mean, under emergency you can buy it here, but the prices are on higher side. So let's wait. Depending on the color, you have to go first. Ours is orange, so they are calling according to the group. It is a nice thing because so many tourists are there, so they are keeping it in a very organized way. Orange is this one? This is the Viking cave. I think they're not stopping here. They're not going to stop there. I will tell you what happened in the middle, but we're just leaving from here, so I'm just showing you how it is. The long nose boats. We are going inside. The boat will go inside and stop in one place, but it cannot roam here. To roam around here, you need to take the long nose boats. There it is. The islands are so beautiful. The water they are maintaining so neat. Guys, now coming to the information. destination. Apart from snorkeling and swimming, they have two more options available for the activities. One is long nose boats and one is scuba diving. The long nose boat is available in the Phi Phi Leh Island. You have to pay it extra for that, and for one boat it is 2,500 if you have to pay by yourself. I mean, if you want a private boat. And if you want to share it with the people, it costs around 400 baht per person. So it's up to your choice, depending on how you want to do. Like if you feel that 2,500 is so much, if it is so much, then you can mix and match with the people, and then you can go. And then coming to the second activity, which is scuba diving, which will be there in the Phi Phi Don Island. It is not there here, and per person it is 2,000. So, but to do the scuba diving, you should know the swimming, and there will be another mentor also with you, so that you will not go alone. And that's the two activities which are not included inside the package. You have to pay separately for here, and you have to inform them in the starting of the boat only, not in the middle of the way. So now we are going for the swimming. They have stopped near the Phi Phi Leh Island. We will just go there and enjoy our swimming and snorkeling. Let's go. After the swimming point in the Phi Phi Leh Island, now we came to the Maya beach. So the Maya beach is not directly the boat accessible, so we will stop at the Lama Bay, and from there we need to walk to the Maya beach, and there is a huge crowd here. You need to be prepared for that, and make sure that wherever you are booking, that booking includes the parking, park fee. Then this is a national park, so you have to pay a fee. Make sure that is included, because if you will not include, which you need to pay after coming here, which will be extra. So make sure about that. We need to wait in huge line right now. Let's go.
Ah non, on va prendre l'eau en photo.
This rule of not swimming came because tourists are coming here and spoiling the beach so much. They have got frustrated and they have kept this rule that swimming is not allowed. Look at how much beautiful the beach is. With the white sand and the blue water, it's actually like how it looks in the movies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think for a good reason they kept that rule. Let's go. We will click some photos, and I'll show you guys as well around. Our experience in this beach is so much fantastic. We are enjoying a lot. How is the experience?
So good. The beach is so good, guys.
So pretty.
Definitely, if you guys are coming to Thailand, plan for Phuket. If it's possible, stay.
You should bring few stuffs for sure. One is swimwear, which they will not give during the trip. You have to bring by yourself.
Without swimwear,
And one more thing, without swimwear, swimming is very difficult because your clothes will completely be wet and you will feel so much cold. So definitely bring the swimwear and towel. Towel is the second most important thing that you have to bring. And one more thing is sunscreen. There is so much sun in the January. Just imagine how much sun it is. It will be in the summer. If you are planning in summer, it will be more worst. So plan accordingly. Here we are, guys. The next destination is the Phi Phi Don Islands. So everything here is Phi Phi Don Island itself. And one part of that is the monkey beach. So this is the monkey beach. The trees wherever they are there. So you have monkeys here. What they instructed is keep all the food items inside. Don't come take it outside because monkeys can come and bite you also. So yeah, we know monkeys. We have so many of us grown in between monkeys. I think this one is not a must-do experience here, but yeah, when you come here, you can just visit it. Look at it, there are monkeys. Everywhere there are monkeys. Let me show you the long nose boat from the near, which is doing trends right now. These are the long nose boats. These are the long nose boats which you can take. So from the Phi Phi Leh Island, you have a boat ride like for 30 minutes. How much time the bus? How much time the boat stops, that much time you can do the long nose boat ride there itself, which is around, I said, 400 baht. If you decide to go with some other people. If you want to go alone by yourself, then only for your family and all, then it is 2,500. The boat will be yours. Guys, this is how it works. So after starting from the monkey beach, whoever want to do the scuba diving, they are going to stop in some island, then they will drop them. And whoever want to do the snorkeling, they will bring to some other position. But don't keep your hopes high if you don't know how to swim. because we don't know swimming. We thought we can do it, but the reality is more far than what we can imagine. The waves are so much high. There will be no one to guide you, or there will be no one will be with you to show it. So you have to control by yourself. And if you don't know swimming, you can't do it. Trust me, there is no possible way that you can do it because the waves are so huge.
Even little bit also you have to know to.
Swimming you should know, definitely. Swimming you should know very good in the swimming pools at least. Then only you can try to do it here. But if you don't know swimming, don't keep your hopes high. Even who knows swimming also, they are keeping the life jackets here. I mean, yeah, it's very difficult to do without knowing. And no one will be there to take you and show you. That is the truth. What is going on here? I didn't got this information.
First they'll say you that they will guide will be there.
No, they haven't said anything. That guide will be there also. This information you will not get anywhere. We are first hand. We are experiencing it. If you don't know something, you can't do something. No one will be there to guide also. So keep that in mind. Yeah, the place is pretty. If you know something, you can enjoy it. Let's go to the next place. I think the next stop they are going to pick up whoever have chosen to do the scuba diving. They'll pick them up and then they will go for the lunch. Let's go there. After getting so much disappointed in that snorkeling area, they have brought us for the lunch. It's called the Don La Bay. Nothing but a Phi Don Islands. Here they'll stop till 3 o'clock. Now the time is around, I think,
2:59.
2:59. They have specifically said by 2:59 we have to board the bus. So yeah, they're funny. The people are so much
But
funny
food
here.
is very good that we have to sit. Till now they give snacks all the time.
Yeah, the one thing is good inside it. Inside the
They keep on giving
boat,
some snacks.
yeah, they keep on giving some snacks. They give Coke, and they gave some cake. They gave some biscuits. So
In the
yeah,
morning also breakfast
some
was there.
snacks they are continuously giving it. In the morning also breakfast.
Bread,
That I have shown. I have shown you that we have got some. We ate some chocolate kind of mixer something. So yeah, the food you will get not like a food, like a snacks. You can get it. So right now we came to a place where we can have lunch. Maybe this is one of the best buffet we ever seen. Because let me show you the non-veg section first. This is the rice. We have some chicken curry, fried chicken, and this one is some seafood, so we didn't cook it. Spaghetti, tomato sauce, and this one is pad thai. This has shrimp. The smell is so good. We haven't tasted it yet. I will tell you how it tastes. And the same section again, I will show you the veg options also. Now coming to the veg section, they have mostly salads. I don't know what this one. I think this one has some cucumbers and some salad, some sauce, and some lettuce. The same section is repeated again here. The watermelon. Guys, here you have veg options also. I have just seen just now. Mostly we are coming to veg. This one is stir-fried potatoes, potato curry, and chickpeas curry. We have curd, so stir-fried noodles. We have rice here, spaghetti, tomato sauce is there. There are very limited options for the vegetarians to have. Mostly I am seeing Indians there, so we feel that non-vegetarian have so much of seafood and all, but here it is very good. Chicken is there, chicken options are also available here. Compared to sea, chicken options are more. So you can definitely consider, if you can eat chicken, you can consider the non-veg one. Vegetarian options are very limited. Now we got fresh up here. We will just roam around the island. After that I think we will start for the Khai Island next. I'll update you. Let's go. Guys, we are done here with our lunch. Our boat also arrived. Now we need to board. Make sure be on time. Whatever the time they say, be on time because the boat is coming on time. And if you be more late, I think they will leave and go and they'll come tomorrow. So make sure of that. We will go now from here. We'll meet you on the next destination. So guys, this is the Khai Island. I started with that intro because after coming here, he started explaining things. The Khai Island is not under the government, it's under the local government. So nothing is free here. You can't use everything for free. Now the time is 4 o'clock. So 1 hour they are going to stop here. Everything here has certain price. if you want to sit, you have to pay 150 baht per 2 chairs. 2 chairs, and this side you can sit if you want to. If you order the drink, they're going to let you sit for free. And the toilet also 20 baht. He have explained. I'm just making it more clear. So the toilet also, if you want to use it, 20 baht. If you want to use it, and if you don't want to pay, he said just go there, smile, and then do it. So yeah, we'll be exploring this place. It's pretty peaceful place. So much peaceful place this is. Let's go and explore. Food here is so much costly. One smoothie is 200 to 50 baht. Juices are 200 to 50 baht. They are adding the chair cost also in the juices only. We don't want to take it. Anyhow, we travel under budget. That much giving that much for juice is unnecessary.
How much is for the jet ski for 2 people?
Only 1,000 baht.
1,000 baht.
For 2 people. How much time?
20 minutes.
And you will let us ride for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the jet ski is he is the person whom our boat have shown the contact. So the jet ski they are saying is 1,000 baht for 20 minutes, and he is going to give us the jet ski for 5 minutes if we want to ride. So yeah, we are going to take it. Why not? It's very cheap when compared to
Yeah.
Phuket and Pattaya. Very cheap actually. So let's go jet ski. Yeah, I'm recording. Guys, we have tried the jet ski and it is amazing. It's our first time, and the way he drove is excellent. It's very crazy. And the boat also provides kind of a snacks on this island also. You will get to eat watermelon, pineapple, some cola. It's a good thing. You don't need to spend much money on here also. Let's go. We'll explore the island a bit, and after that boat will be waiting somewhere. We need to walk till the boat. Let's go there. So guys, we came back from the Khai Island, and our day tour for the Phi got ended. And from here we have to take the same shuttle bus which we came in from the morning. So yeah, we are going there. It was a very great trip. If you ever come to Phuket, definitely you should try this. The one-day trip to Phi Island and the place which I have mentioned. If you need any more details, you can comment down below. Whatever I know, that information I will share with you guys. Let's go back to the shuttle, and after that let's back to the hotel. Let's go. After 1.5 hours of journey, we went to our Patong Blue hotel. We took our luggage. We got shifted them by the bike, and we reached our next hotel, which is Boa Bob, which costed around 2,800 rupees per night, and the hotel is awesome. Let me show you the room. So this is the room, and it's very comfortable. Two twin bed they gave, and it's very much clean. They gave some bean bag, and the best part, they gave the balcony. We want to dry up our clothes, and let me show you the washroom as well. This is the washroom. It's pretty much comfortable and very neat. This is what we expect from a hotel. This is what we expect from a hotel of 2,600 or 800 rupees, not the previous one. We kept our luggage. They gave a refrigerator as well. Check if they gave water. This one, yeah, water bottle also they gave. Whew. The hotel is pretty good. It is definitely a recommendation. I will share the link of the hotel also in the description in the booking.com, so that you can check up while you come here. It doesn't cost this much usually. The season is peak, that's why it's costing 2,800. If you come in the off season, so it will cost a bit more or less only. So you can definitely consider this hotel. This is the view from the hotel. They have some garden, I think, the back side. Some banana trees are there. It's good. We'll get ready now, and then we will go out and explore the Phuket city a little bit more, and then I'll update you guys. Let's go. In search of food again, we came to near our hotel place, and we got something called Malin Plaza. Some food stalls are there. I am craving for mango smoothie. They are so much costly, around 90, but they are taking everywhere. We came here to see if we get anywhere less, little bit. Here I think it's little bit less, 50 baht. And there is some Thai noodles, food. We will see what options are available. I think here we will get something. Some fried chicken is there. Some burgers are there. Let us see what we will get here. Food is very good. So if you want cheaper options and if you want to explore more Thai food, Thai cuisine and in cheaper prices, you can definitely come to this place. The place name is Melin Plaza. I will try to attach the location link in the comment, in the description below. So find there, and if you ever come to Phuket and if you are searching for a cheap food options, and if you can eat veg, non-veg and the seafood, everything is available. So yeah, let's go. We will see. We want to eat a little bit more because we didn't got a normal food at all in few days. We will go. Even there is a market as well inside. Look at how much pure the mango smoothie is. Only mango and ice, nothing else. No sugar, nothing. Just mango and ice. One more thing, I think in the Phuket, this is the cheapest place we have seen. But compared to Bangkok, still Bangkok is more cheaper. If you are planning to do shopping, if you have Bangkok in your itinerary list, go to Bangkok only. We had our dinner and we are going back to the hotel. And on the way, we have just seen this shop, which is 20 baht shop. Every item here is 20 baht. I mean, not all the bags and all, but whatever the items which are there on the table is 20 baht. How much this is?
20, same like Bangkok.
Same like Bangkok market. I think all of them which are there on the table, they are 20 baht. Even those clips and all. I think these bags will not be 20 baht.
No, they are not.
Those are not. There are cute earrings. Yeah. So this is nearby the Boabab hotel. I will try to attach the link in the description below. So if you're in Phuket, just follow that link and come here and you can buy it. It's a good shop. You can buy the souvenirs and small gifts for your families here. We'll just buy a few stuffs and then we'll go for the hotel back. Let's go.